When someone has a body odor, it can be an uncomfortable experience for everyone in the area. But when that someone is you, it can be both uncomfortable and embarrassing. Body odor comes from bacteria living in your underarms. Sweat creates an optimal environment for these bacteria to multiply. Shaving your armpits will help, but in addition to that, you can try these 10 home remedies too. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda helps absorb moisture from the skin, reducing odor. Mix equal parts of baking soda and lemon juice. Apply it to your underarms for a few minutes, then wash it off. Alternatively, equal parts of baking soda and cornstarch mixed together can act as a deodorant. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar eliminates odor by balancing the pH level of your skin. You could rub it onto your underarms and leave it for a few minutes before a shower, or put a cup of it into bathwater before a soak. 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as a great antiseptic, getting rid of odor-causing bacteria. You could rub the juice from 1/2 of a lemon on your underarms or, if you have sensitive skin, dilute it in water beforehand. 4. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is an astringent. It contracts skin pores, reducing sweat production. Simply apply some under your arms when you sweat, and it will act as an antiperspirant. 5. Tomatoes. Like witch hazel, tomato juice acts as an astringent that will reduce body odor. You can rub tomato juice under your arms before or during your shower, or you could drink 1 to 2 glasses daily to reduce the odor. 6. Rock salt. Rock salt possesses powerful cleansing properties, which eliminates surplus sweat and influences the action of microbes dwelling on the surface of the skin. Just add a few crystals of rock salt to a tub or a bucket of lukewarm water, mix well until they dissolve completely, and take a relaxing shower to keep sweating and body odor under control. 7. Green tea bags. Famed for their antioxidant and detoxifying potential, green tea bags are a blessing to treat smelly armpits or stinky feet. Dip some tea bags in warm water and once completely soaked, press against the underarm region and on the feet for 5 minutes each and rinse off to regulate the sweat glands. 8. Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender oil is known for its pleasant fragrance that can easily suppress the armpit odor. Also, its antibacterial properties can destroy bacteria present in the area. Lavender oil has various other benefits when it comes to treating skin conditions. To use it, you need to mix 4 to 5 drops of lavender oil in a glass of water and pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the liquid on your underarms twice a day to permanently reduce the stinky odor of your underarms. 9. Diet. Consuming pungent foods like garlic, onions, curry, or caffeinated drinks, while delicious, can often cause undesired body odors. Removing them from your diet will certainly help, but you can go a step further and add certain foods that are known to prevent the issue. Leafy greens like spinach, chard, and kale contain high levels of chlorophyll, a natural deodorizer. 10. Sage. Due to its pleasant smell and ability to reduce sweat gland activity, sage is commonly used in perfumes and deodorants. The herb is also an effective antibacterial. When applied, it discourages the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Try making a natural deodorant by mixing sage oil, coriander oil, and lavender oil in a bottle and spritzing it on the underarms each day. Or steep dry sage in hot water and apply to the affected area when it is cool. Drinking sage tea is another treatment option, but no more than 2 cups per day. It's important to note that sage should be entirely avoided for women who are pregnant or nursing. In addition to these remedies, maintaining basic hygiene and bathing daily, shaving the hair in the sweat-prone areas, wearing cotton clothes, and eating a healthy diet will help combat body odor at a faster pace. Now that you know how to get rid of body odor naturally, what are you waiting for? Try these home remedies and let us know how they worked for you in the comments below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.